Space, the final frontier. Space exploration is incredibly cool. We launch rockets, we explore distant planets, we learn so much about the universe. It's an amazing time to be alive. Imagine traveling to other distant planets. Think about walking on Mars. What would it be like to experience a day on a different world? Let's go on an exciting journey through our solar system. We'll discover how long a day lasts on other planets. Get ready for some amazing surprises. Planetary time travel. A mind-bending concept. Imagine traveling through time just by visiting different planets. Time is different in space. It's not just a science fiction idea. It's a reality shaped by the cosmos. A day on Earth is 24 hours. We take this for granted, but it's a unique feature of our planet. But on other planets, a day can be much longer or shorter. For instance, a day on Mars is about 24.6 hours, almost similar to Earth, but not quite. This is because a day is how long it takes a planet to spin once. Some planets spin fast, others spin slow. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, has the shortest day, spinning once every 10 hours. This affects how long their days are. On the other hand, Venus takes a whopping 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, making its day longer than its year. Think of it like a spinning top. The speed at which it spins determines how quickly it completes a rotation. A fast top means a short day, just like Jupiter, which spins rapidly, resulting in shorter days. A slow top means a long day. Venus, with its slow spin, has incredibly long days. It's all about the spin. The rotation speed of a planet is a fascinating aspect that shapes the experience of time on different worlds. Imagine living on a planet where a single day lasts for months or even years. The concept of time becomes truly mind-bending when you think about it in the context of the universe. Mercury, speedy messenger of the Sun. Let's start with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is a small, rocky planet. It zips around the Sun very quickly. A day on Mercury is super short. It only takes 59 Earth days for Mercury to spin once. That means a day on Mercury is almost 2 Earth months long. Imagine that! You could celebrate your birthday every 2 months if you lived on Mercury. Talk about a lot of cake. Venus, the mysterious Slowpoke. Next up is Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of their similar size and proximity. However, the similarities end there. Venus is covered in thick clouds. These clouds are not like the fluffy white clouds we see on Earth. They are made of sulfuric acid, making Venus a very hostile environment. It's a very hot and mysterious place. The surface temperature on Venus can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat is due to a runaway greenhouse effect. Venus is a slowpoke when it comes to spinning. Unlike Earth, which spins on its axis once every 24 hours, Venus takes its time. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to spin once. This slow rotation is one of the most fascinating aspects of Venus. That's longer than it takes Venus to orbit the Sun. Venus completes one orbit around the Sun in about 225 Earth days. This means a day on Venus is longer than its year. Imagine living on a planet where the day drags on for what feels like an eternity. Can you imagine celebrating your birthday before the year is even over? Weird. On Venus, you would have a birthday every 225 Earth days, but you would have to wait 243 Earth days for a single day to pass. This makes Venus one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system. The mysteries of Venus continue to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. From its thick, toxic atmosphere to its slow, ponderous rotation, Venus remains a planet of extremes and enigmas. Who knows what other secrets this mysterious slowpoke holds? Future missions to Venus aim to uncover more about its atmosphere, surface, and potential for past or present life. As we continue to explore, Venus will undoubtedly reveal more of its secrets, adding to our understanding of the solar system. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and spot Venus shining brightly, remember the fascinating and mysterious slowpoke that it is. Venus, with its slow spin and extreme conditions, is truly a wonder of our solar system. Mars, a Martian day for explorers. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance, which is due to iron oxide or rust on its surface. This unique color makes it a fascinating destination for space exploration. Over the years, we've sent several rovers to Mars to explore its surface. These rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, have been our robotic pioneers, sending back invaluable data and stunning images. One of the most intriguing aspects of Mars is its day, known as a sol. A sol on Mars is very similar to a day on Earth, which makes it easier for future human explorers to adapt. It takes approximately 24.6 hours for Mars to complete one full rotation on its axis. This is only about 37 minutes longer than an Earth day. This slight difference means that the day-night cycle on Mars is almost the same as on Earth, which is a significant advantage for human missions. Because of this similarity, Mars is considered a prime candidate for future exploration and even potential colonization. The familiar day length would help astronauts maintain their circadian rhythms. Astronauts on Mars wouldn't have to adjust to a drastically different day-night cycle, allowing them to focus more on their scientific experiments and exploration activities. This makes Mars not just a good place to explore, but an excellent candidate for future human settlement. Gas giants: Jupiter and Saturn's Whirlwind days. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants, and they're huge. These planets are made mostly of gas and have powerful storms. Jupiter spins incredibly fast. A day on Jupiter is only 10 hours long. That's because Jupiter is so big and spins like a top. Saturn is also a fast spinner. A day on Saturn is about 10.7 hours long. Imagine the incredible winds and storms on these gas giants. Conclusion: a universe of wonder awaits. From the speedy messenger Mercury to the Slowpoke Venus, each planet has its own unique day length. It's amazing how different our solar system is. As we continue to explore space, we'll learn even more about the wonders of the universe. Who knows what other strange and fascinating planets we'll discover? So keep looking up at the stars and never stop exploring. The universe is full of endless possibilities. What will you discover?